It's Christmas! I'm Abbey from Lights Camera English, and I love Christmas. And in just a few moments, Lenku will be arriving, and I want to tell her all about my favourite Christmas food. Can you guess what it is? Do you know what my favourite part of Christmas is?
Food.
Food! Yes! How did you know?
I know you! What's your favourite Christmas food?
Ah, that's easy. Mince pies.
What's in mince pies?
Oh, it's mince meat.
Aren't you vegetarian?
Yes.
So how can you eat? You're not vegetarian for Christmas, because otherwise you wouldn't eat minced meat for Christmas.
It's not minced meat. Not like you use in burgers and bolognese. It's mince meat. A traditional recipe with sultanas and currants and raisins and sugar and alcohol.
Why is it called mincemeat then?
Oh, because in the olden days, in the Victorian era, it used to have minced meat in it.
Oh, Victorians had strange taste.
They did.
I've never had mince pies.
You've never
with or without mincemeat.
You've never had mince pies?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
No, I've never heard about mince pies.
Well, would you like to taste some?
You have some?
We could make some.
Let's make some.
Let's make some. So, we ready?
Absolutely.
Okay. This is very simple. This is the pastry. I made it yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is the mincemeat.
Smells like alcohol.
Yes, it should. Okay.
So what do we do with it?
Well, we push the pastry into a muffin tray.
Where is the muffin tray?
Well, the thing is, I was a bit embarrassed because it doesn't look very nice.
Let me see. Oh, well, that's okay. That's just a silicone.
Yeah.
Mine looks the same.
Does it?
Yes.
Good.
It's clean.
It's clean. It's clean. Okay.
So?
Right, so let's each grab a bit of pastry and then we just squish it into our muffin tray. Simple.
How thick?
Quite thin, actually. It's a very thick pastry anyway. Oh, you're prepping it, are you?
Trying to.
I kind of like the hodgepodge approach. But I do love how easy these ones are. And kind of the worse they look,
the better they are.
The better they taste. No, but they just have this rustic feel
rustic,
about them.
That's the key word here.
Yeah. So now what you do is you take a spoonful of this and fill up your pie. You need to leave a little bit of space on top so that the lid can go on, and the lid needs to be able to attach to the base. It needs a little bit of space. And now we just cut a couple of holes in it so that the steam can come out, and we put a bit of egg on top and pop it in the oven.
Can't wait. So that was it.
Don't forget to like our video
And subscribe to our channel.
for more great videos.
And if you want to download the transcript
Lesson notes,
or some extra goodies,
then head over to our website.